Hey guys, it's Silver Seeker, and you know what time it is? It's time for a beautiful silver unboxing. All right, guys, in front of us, we have ourselves another package from the fantastic AppMex. And as you know, guys, inside this awesome package is going to be some incredible silver. So my buddy Jason4343 kind of showed me a link of some really cool 10-ounce silver bars that I just had to have. And so, of course, I ordered some, and guys, these are really, really cool. So inside, obviously, we have this here packaging. Now, normally when we have a big unboxing, we do like a quick montage, but not today. I think we're just gonna open this one nice and normal since, you know, it's only one package. So I can see, oh, no, I don't see the invoice. Gotta make sure the invoice doesn't slip out of here. All right, so now that the invoice is out of the way, let's go ahead and see what we have inside. And take a look at this, guys. We have a lot of different cool stuff in here, but these right here, this is why I ordered this package. So let's go ahead and look at it first, just to not make you wait too much longer. So guys, what we have right here, these are 10-ounce bars, but we have, take a look at this. We have the Ace of Hearts, the Ace of Spades, the Ace of Clubs, and the Ace of Diamonds. Guys, check this out. We have 4 10-ounce silver bars. As you can see, these are poker themed. You have all 4 of those on the back, but on the front, of course, we have obviously the club, the spade, the heart, and the diamond, but in 10 ounces of silver. These are really, really cool. Again, I did not know these existed until Jason4343 kind of tipped me off to them. Now, if you notice, they are kind of hazy inside of this packaging. And man, I tell you what, I am super tempted to just open up this plastic, but I don't think I should. These are actually sealed inside this plastic, and you can see them through the plastic, so it's not a huge deal. But very, very gorgeous 10-ounce silver Ace of Clubs right there, guys. How gorgeous is that? All right, so we have some more stuff in here. Now, guys, we've seen these before. This is not new to the channel, but I liked them so much when I finally had them in my hand, as did you guys. I went ahead and ordered more of these. So as you can see, this is Silver Beneath the Southern Sky, 1 ounce Australia. Look at that up close under the camera. Now you see what I'm talking about, how you kind of had the haze from the plastic on the 10-ounce bar here. See how that haze is not there at all on this beautiful 1 ouncer? Flip it over to the reverse. You got the Queen right there, Elizabeth, Australia 2020, and that fantastic, gorgeous pattern on the back. Guys, these are really, really beautiful. Like I said, you guys liked them. I liked them as well, so I had to pick some more of those up. Now, we have a couple of new 2020 pieces in here, so let's go ahead and show you these really, really quick as well. We'll get this one close to the camera, guys. As you can see, we have Caribbean Silver 2020. Let's actually go ahead and take this out of the flip. Take a look at that, guys, up close to the camera right there. You got Barbados, $1, 1 ounce of AG 999, and then flip it over and you can see Caribbean Silver. You have the 2020 down here at the bottom, 1 ounce fine silver 999, the Caribbean Silver Seahorse. These are really, really gorgeous. When I saw that they had 2020 seahorses, of course I had to pick some up. And I like on the right side of the seahorse, you see how it kind of has like the ocean waves, and then on the left side it's calm waters, but you got some bubbles coming down, coming up from the bottom. And you got the seahorse, it looks like his tail is wrapped around some seaweed. So those are really cool. I picked up 5 of those. And then finally, and the last thing in this quick unboxing, I picked up some of these, and I like that these are actually still connected, but let's go ahead and take a look. So these are still in the plastic that they came in. As you can see, guys, this is the 2020 nautical ounce Mayflower. Check that out, 1 ounce of fine silver 999 2020. And if you look, you have the Mayflower right there in the ocean, and take a look, you got the compass in the field here, which is really cool. And then at the top, it looks like that might be like an old cannon, like an old ship's cannon. Flip it over to the reverse. Of course, you can see it's Banki Nakuru, Rwanda, so it's from Rwanda. and 50 Mirongo Itanu. I probably chopped that up completely, but either way, guys, very, very gorgeous. So we picked up a few of those, and I thought I picked up 5, and now I did. So I know I did. I just realized, but I like that. That is really cool. So these must come in like sheets or something like that. So we'll go ahead and zoom in to wrap it up, guys. To wrap it up, we have the five Mayflowers. We have the 5 of the 2020 Caribbean Seahorses. We have the 5 of the $1 Australia silver under the southern sky, or silver beneath the southern sky. And then finally, we got 4 of the 10-ounce silver ace bars, the ace of clubs, spades, diamonds, and hearts. Very, very cool. So guys, that is what we have for this unboxing. Again, not a very long one, but very cool to check out some of this new silver that I have here. And of course, you know, a repeat beauty like this one right here as well. So again, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before you go, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to my awesome channel members. It's support like yours that make these videos possible. So once again, thank you. Guys, I left the video over there. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go and check that one out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd appreciate a sub if you liked the content. Otherwise, thank you again, and we will see you next time.